Morning guys, decided to do another one of my Saturday morning walkabouts. We are stood, you can see this, on top of what was the Strand Lodge Hotel. I know, I wouldn't do another vlog, but it's mad you can actually get in and stand on. You know, this might have been a bedroom maybe. Weird. We're wondering what they're going to make of this, maybe a car park? I don't know. Yeah, probably. Oh well, onwards and upwards. See you in a minute guys. Right, we're walking down the prom. Well, I've got your attention. Reason why we're out today, one of the reasons, should I say. You want to explain?
Yeah, well, it's going to do it on my video as well, folks. Today I'm starting to walk 10,000 steps a day for cancer research. This is in my third year of doing this, and really enjoy walking, so it's a challenge. It's 10,000 steps a day, which is equivalent to about 5 miles. So yeah, please give generously to the cause. I'm doing a video today myself, so I'll be on my own channel. Thank you very much.
Are you going to put a link on your channel?
I'll put a link on my channel to the fundraiser. I'm just giving page on Facebook.
Right, well listen guys, even if it's £1, you know, if you could help, cool. If not, then maybe to jump over and give them a sub. Life on the Ocean Wave, yeah? Right, now, I was going to do it myself, but I can't simply get my diabetes stable, so some days I don't feel like doing it, so whenever I can come out to support him and walk with him. Maybe I'll do it next year, if the doctors finally listen, hey? There you go guys, look at that. What a day. I don't mind telling you it's cold though. Really cold. Now, these, let's get up here now to show you something. These palisade things, I'm wondering if they have rack concrete in them. Give me a sec. Right. These have been blocked off for months on end. And it's just up Blackpool Council to block them off and actually do nothing about them. So you can't get down there. And if you look down here, I think they're all blocked off bar one. And that one looks like it's got all scaffolding around it, maybe to hold it up. I mean, come on Blackpool Council. Jeez. Right, onwards and upwards. Here you go guys, look at this. North Pier. Full of people. That's lovely to see. Keep walking up down North Pier. We're now so we're at North Pier. You can see the new bits of tram track up to the new build. Give me a sec. It's nice to see people on the piers and people walking about. It's like Blackpool's coming back to life. Hang on a sec. Whoop. Yeah, it's freezing. The tram track's going up to the new hotel at North Pier, and we're going the other way. Right, there you go. Iconic Blackpool Tower. It's like a beacon of hope, Mr. Cheatley says. But it's true though. Now come on, if you've ever been on the M55 saying, first one to bowl the tower. We used to do it all the time with the kids. First one saying, there's the tower, you know. And if you can look down there, hang on, that traction pole's in the way. You can see the big one. Mad really. Again, don't even think the tower's open because I can't see the lift going up and down. And if you go that way, yeah, I know, you got Central Pier. And this bloody monstrosity. Was it the wedding chapel? Yeah, not that bloody monstrosity, eh?
Sorry.
Oh, hang on, spin you around. Yes, that's where we are. We've got the Metropole there. Shh, don't mention the Metropole.
Controversial.
Go figure. There you go. Coyote Ugly, where Bailey dressed women jump on the bar and dance. Never been in, doesn't interest me in the slightest. You guys, look at the state of that. Oh, that's disgusting. Yeah, it should just like Blackpool Council. Just taking a minute to put this in. And look at the absolute state of it. And these things, right? They're there, they're meant to block out the wind for like Christmas by the sea and stuff like that. And look, they've left them up. Oh, one of them's ripped. No, they're not. This is the thing. For that reason, because they rip. Look. They really do need to clean this. That's disgusting. But this is like Blackpool Council, right? You go up Burley Street, there's that thing called Brilliance. And that's in a shocking state. And I remember when that got put in. Actual fact, once I've been to see Mr. Higgett, I might go down Burley Street and show you. But Blackpool Tower. Ah, someone there trying to do obedience. Remember doing that with Sholo? Get her to walk to here in the square, do you remember that?
Yeah.
Sholo's idea was walk to here, wasn't it? I'm bored with this. Right, I don't exactly know how this is going to come out till I attempt to edit this later on, but it's nice seeing the sun out. But believe you me, it has not affected the temperature, it's freezing. Absolutely freezing cold. Right, just walked past the heritage sign on the prom. Yeah, I wasn't going to put that up, that's too upsetting. You know, a sign saying service suspended. Oh, sad face. Right, we're coming up to Central Pier now. And we've got that black glass monstrosity there, where Showtown is. I've been in there. That's free for locals to go in. So I might go and have another look, see if it's changed in any way, shape or form, I don't know. So that used to be, I can't remember, it was a big shop in there. Cannot remember for life what it's called. Oh, dearie me. And you've got Tower again, way. And this is Tower Festival Headland. Looking a bit worse for wear, but there you go. Yeah, because it was that one that ripped last year. There you go, Lifeboat Centre. Out there trying to raise money, bless them. And oh look, what's still here? Odyssey. Would have thought they'd started taking that down by now. Unless they're planning to leave that up and on for Easter. That'd be quite cool. There you go, guys, this is Odyssey. Oh wow, yeah, I see what you mean. Oh, that's interesting. Hang on a minute. I know I'm probably going to get copyrighted for the song in the background, but it's a bop. Oh. That, I think, is one of the projection units. That looks like a projection unit to me. Then you've got another one there. Another one there. Ooh.
Oh yes.
Yeah, look. Whoop. Hang on, that doesn't like that. Another one there. I don't know why they've exposed all of them, and look. Maybe they're working on it. So that's the gubbins underneath. Ah, cool. Whoop. Whoop. Yeah, I'm sure they did for Easter. Yeah. There you go, Central Pier open, all the rides on, I reckon. You go, just come out of Central Pier, use the facility, so to speak, and we're going down that way. See Mr. Higgett. As you can see, all the tap shops are open. go for chips the other day, wasn't it, babe?
Yeah, chips are lovely there. Recommended.
No, we used to go in there when we used to work out of Rigby Road. Go in there for dinner with all my work colleagues. It's a nice place. Alright, let's get round here. The next one's here, isn't it? Oh, there's a lot of people going that way. I get the sense that this is going to be quite a queue. Oh man. The one thing I hate doing is waiting in queues. And we're going there next. Come on, guys. Let's see, shall we? Oh, as if there's a queue. As if there's a queue and it's not even open. I cannot believe we're waiting in the queue here for this. Oh dear. Oh well.
Hey!
What? Do you want to give your channel a shout out?
I was a YouTuber, but I'm not anymore. I quit. But thank you though. You know?
Alright.
I just like anyone maybe, you know, like.
Alright, sound. Blind Steve Vlogs, there you go.
What's your name?
My name's my name's Blackpool Bell. My hubby's Life on the Ocean Wave.
Sorry, I just have.
There you go, guys. That's the best review you can give Chris Higgett. It's all gone. Very nice, well worth the money. As Charles just said, with his burger, 10 out of 10. Thing is, where can you go on the prom, right? That, I had a burger with cheese and egg in it, and I had a tea, which I'm not quite finished yet, right? Cost me £3. Where can you go on the prom for a burger less than about £6, £6.50? I won't pay it, I'm sorry. You know me, I'm always after a bargain. You know, you kind of get dinner with a show there, because Chris is a bit of a character, you know. But, yeah, or the Blackpool Daddy he calls himself. But there you go. Yeah, well done. 10 out of 10 for me, Chris. Very nice. Yummy, yummy. There you go. Big queue outside Mr. Higgett's. I think he's starting to get, like, as big a queue as Spudman from Tamworth. I'd like to go see him to get one of his spuds, though. Yummy. And you got Spud Bros in Preston. But, yeah. Now, we're now walking up towards the old court building to see what state of demolition that's in. Oh, I know, we're bimbling from one demo to another. But the demos are cool. Hey, there's a cafe up here, actually. Trigger's Cafe, which is dog friendly.
Yeah, it's dog friendly.
Hang on. I might bring Cholo in here. This one here. Trigger's Cafe. Dog friendly, apparently. So it'd be cool to come in there with Cholo.
Round that entrance round the side.
That might be an idea. Do the dog friendly cafes in Blackpool and get Cholo's paw of approval, see if she likes them or not. That might be a cracking idea for a vlog. What do you reckon?
See what's going on first.
Okay. All right, here we go. There's me sitting there rabbiting and yabbering on, and we're up at the courts. Wow. What's left of them? Woo! Look at that. Right, I'm going to cross over and have a closer look. What was it? Mac Marston says take a closer look, my friends. Give me a sec. Oh. Bloody hell. As I say, I've been watching AT Media's video because he's done quite a few videos on here. And he's got some really good footage. So pop on over and give his channel a look. AT Media. Oh, they're not working. Maybe they're on a dinner break. Possibly. Hang on a sec. Right, my first reactions, because I've not been here for a while. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh my god. What? Right, hang on a minute. I'm going to stop that. Give me a sec. Wow. What the heck? There's not a lot left of the court building. I can't say I've ever had the pleasure of going in there, but bloody hell. Sorry for swearing. That's amazing. Ooh. Right, give me a sec. I'm going to go up on the bridge. This makes me laugh, guys. No pedestrian access. Okay. Whoops. Rebel. Whew. So I'm going to get up on here because I think this gives you the best view. Wow, they've done well. My hope is that DSM are as friendly as 501 were, and we can build a rapport with them. Because I kind of miss some guys from 501, especially Aaron. He was alright, it's a good laugh, you know? Well, sorry about that. Let's have a bit of a zoom in. There ain't a lot left of that. You know, me saying, oh, they're going to take months and months and months. Personally, yeah, now I've got a bit of a lick on. I don't think they will be. There you go, guys. Look at that. I've just taken a picture. I'd love to be able to do a photo fade, but I don't know if I could figure it out. There you go. Look at that. It's madness, really.
Saturday might not work weekend.
Might not. Have to come up next week and do another one, maybe.
Yeah.
Give me a sec, I'm going to reposition. I've repositioned. That, I think, could be the car park, maybe? There. That's one of the fire exit sign. Mad, really. And then you've got all of that. I guess that's maybe the cells, possibly. I don't know. As I say, I never had the pleasure. And then you've got the main effect. I reckon when that's been chomped, if you could get a drone up, that'd be so cool. There you go. There we go, guys. We're in house bingo now. Gonna have a bit of a go. And look, hang on. I've just seen orbit. There you go. Wish us luck. There you go, guys. I just met a fan of the channel, Tracy.
Yeah, I'm from High Wycombe, and it's really nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's lovely.
And I love Blackpool.
Yeah,
so,
amen.
Yeah.
See, I'm not a Sandgroner. I come from Suffolk, but
I lived in Blackpool in my 80s, 86 till 94.
wow.
And then I moved back to Buckinghamshire, High Wycombe.
Oh,
So,
well,
yeah.
nice to meet you, Tracy.
Nice to meet you as well.
Thank you. Well, I'm probably getting a copyright strike, I don't care. I've just been recognised by a lady called Tracy from Buckinghamshire. Shout out to you, Tracy. I just want to show you something, hang on a minute. Been in house, bingo, and cleared out the place. That little lot cost me a tenner. You're working out, they're 13 quid new, and they're £10.50. So I think I've got a bargain there, guys, eh? What do you reckon? Look at this, guys. Come outside Chris, he gets mad, really. Hey. Hi guys, I've lost count of how many takes I've tried to do this. This is me recording my outro because the one I done on the prom, I pressed the wrong button and went into slow-mo mode. Yay, go me. Anyway, I'll end this like I normally do. Stay safe and have a good day. Goodbye. Yes, I've done it!